Span U200 LSP is our layer 2 PoE switch model, which is integrated with UPS and battery all in one. We found out this model is needed for the edge access network that provided high heavy load with more than 3 channels of the PoE functions, 2 cameras, 2 Wi-Fi AP, and 2 this kind of scenarios. This is this model designed for. So this model we can provide at most 8 channels, GE and plus PoE. But we can customize different, become 5 channels, 4 channels, 6 channels, whatever, based on your requirement. And it's embedded with 200 watts DC UPS system, but it can we can also have another choice, a 300 watts version. Battery, right now we have 4.8 and 9.6 with 48 volts lithium battery. But we still can enlarge the battery based on your request, or even use external battery as requested, based on your autonomy time, the design, okay? The uplink, we can provide a GE SFP or a GPON uplink. So that's the function of this model.